classes. I hope you all are doing so well. Today we are going to discuss about our next chapter, that is our government. What is the chapter name? Our government. This is chapter number 18, our government. So what is chapter name is our government. So it is necessary for us that we must know about that term which is called government. So what is government? Government, a group of people who govern our country. A group of people who govern our country. And it refers to the people who govern the country. Govern करना mean rule करना, country को administrate करना, उसे चलाना. Okay? So obviously you can see that if anyone governs a country, we can see president, chief minister, prime minister and other cabinet ministers also mean they all together govern a country. In a country we have 28 states. In our country we have 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay, and in every state and in every union territory we can find government. Okay, like in every state they are having their particular government, and in union territory they are having their central government. Okay, so our government resolves our problems and concern. Okay, like you can say in local self-government or in the villages there are panchayats. Yes, panchayats are there in villages. Students who are from villages, they know very well that they have a panchayat, they have a government, a form of government which is called panchayat. They have that panchayat in their village, and that village they resolve their matters, their problems. उनको सुलझाना, उनको उनका solution देना, वो काम कौन करता है? That panchayat. Okay, whether that matter is related to any matter, in that can be related to any matter. A government resolves our problems and concerns. Okay, and do you know that India is the biggest democracy? India is the biggest democracy. Now what is democracy? Democracy means government of the people, by the people, for the people. Now government of the people, by the people and for the people. In democracy, the people of a country, of a particular area, they can choose their own representative by casting their vote. You know very well that there is election process after every 5 years. Yes, so elections कराए जाते हैं and उसके through क्या किया जाता है? Our representatives have been chosen. Okay, they are chosen by us by the process of elections, and which party or which person gets the majority of the votes, obviously that representative or that person will form his or her government in that state, in that village. Okay, at any level. Now India is the largest democracy. Democracy means government of the people, by the people, for the people. Government of the people. Obviously there are people. Yes, at once they were among us. Yes, कि जहां हम हैं, जैसे हम हैं, at once कि एक टाइम पर they were also the people like us, they were also the normal people, and after that it means government of the people. Then by means when we cast our vote, when we chose our representatives, our favorite representatives, only then they are elected, they are selected for that post. Okay, they have been made, or they are made like CM, Chief Minister, prime minister, then they are made these. Okay, so votes are casted by us, so we are making them. So of the people, by the people mean by us, for the people. Now why we are choosing them as our representatives? Why? Obviously for us. Yes, obviously for ourselves. Ki this is our favorite leader, so obviously he will or she will or they will perform or they will function for us. They will do work for the welfareness of us. Yes, that's why it is called for the people mean for us. So we can say that democracy is the government of the people, by the people and for the people. Hope you have got this term democracy. Now, as I told you that India has 28 states and 9 union territories. If only one government is made, like central government if we are making, then is central government able to control, or we can say, is central government be able to control all the areas, all the states, all the union territories of a country? Only one government. Can it be possible? Obviously not. It is not possible. That's why our country, our India, our government has set up different types of government at different level. Okay, like first level there is central government, then state government, and then local self-government. Then what is central government? In union territories, central government or union, central or union is same. Okay, you can say union government also, because this is in union territories. Okay, so central government or union. Then second is state. Obviously in every state a state government is present there. Then local self-government, we can say in districts. Okay, in districts, and there are villages, blocks, and towns, cities. Okay, so these are included in local self-government, and now we will discuss about these in detail. Okay, as I have written here, as far as the levels of government is concerned, we can say Constitution of India provides a government at the central and the state level. Constitution provides government for two levels, that is central and second is government. Now what is the difference? We can say that central government, it works for whole country. Okay, it takes report from the state governments and it controls, it handles this type of government handles them or controls them कि इस चीज की कमी है, इस चीज की शॉर्टफॉल है, ये चीज आपको करनी चाहिए, like this. Okay, so central government, it looks after the matters of national importance. I told you right now that it works for at the national level. Then state level, it is responsible for the matters within the state. Then obviously if something is going on in state, whether it is for welfareness or anything else, then they are under control of the state government. Okay, central or union, it works at the national level. State level mean we can say state government, it works at the state level. अगर किसी भी स्टेट की कोई प्रॉब्लम है, पर्सन्स की है, किसी भी रिलेटेड है, देन वो सॉल्व की जाएगी बाय whom? बाय स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. और नेशनल लेवल की है, देन ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी सॉल्व बाय सेंट्रल और यूनियन गवर्नमेंट. एंड there is third type also, that is local government for rural and urban areas. What are rurals and what are urbans? Rural areas mean we can say villages. Villages can be included, and in urban areas we can include towns or cities. Mainly we can include cities. So local government is for rural and urban, like local local self. I told you na that local self-government, in this government we can include villages, towns, cities, blocks, all these. Okay, like panchayat, कहाँ की गवर्नमेंट है? Obviously villages, mean we can say कि rural government. Okay, then in towns municipal committees are there. In cities or in the large cities, small cities में municipal corporation and towns में भी, but in the large cities there are municipal corporations. Okay, municipal committees हैं small towns and small cities में, and municipal corporations are there in large cities. Okay, so these were the types in local self government, like panchayat and municipal committee and corporations. I've told you right now. So this was our starting, we can say that this was our introduction, and now we will study in detail about all these types of government. Now I'm giving you some questions to do in your classwork notebook. So first question is, note down your first question. What is government? What is government? First question is this. Then second question is, what does democracy mean? What does democracy mean? What is the spelling of democracy? D-E-M-O-C-R-A-C-Y. This is called democracy. Okay, government of the people, by the people and for the people. What does democracy means? Two questions are there. Third question is, make a diagram of the three levels of the government. Okay, this diagram you have to make. Clear? Third question is, make a diagram of the levels of government. Now I have told you these three questions. First, what is government? Second, what does democracy mean? And third is, you have to make a diagram in your classwork notebook of the three levels of government. Okay, these three questions you have to do in your classwork notebook, and then you have to share it. You have to do in classwork notebook and share it in the group, and your handwriting should be neat and clean. I hope this topic is clear to you all. At village level, that panchayat is called gram panchayat. Panchayat is called gram panchayat. And next there is block level. And this gram panchayat works at village level, mean works for the welfare of the villagers, mean the people who are living in the village, that particular village. So block level like a village. Assume that obviously Medina is a village where your school is situated. So that is village. In Medina, gram panchayat is there. But block level, we can take example of Mehem. Mehem is a block. Okay, so in block, instead of gram panchayat, there is a system of government, a form of government which is called Janpad Panchayat or Panchayat Samiti. Okay, Janpad Panchayat and Panchayat Samiti. Next is district. District में हम ले लेंगे, we can include Rohtak. Rohtak is a district. So what type of government is there in Rohtak? There district panchayat is there, and we can say that Jila Parishad is there. Okay,